Okay, here we are at the best loft bed project we've ever done. Beautiful natural light coming in at the perfect time. I'm here with my client, Anthony, who's been the best client ever because they love the look. How you doing, Anthony?
I'm doing very well.
Oh, excellent. So this was a loft for their teenage girls. Then there's going to be one sleeping up here in the twin loft bed, and then there's going to be the big queen loft bed. And I'm super happy about the solid walnut we put in this job. There's no edge banding on this job, Anthony. It's all solid walnut trim.
Yeah.
So a more commercial furniture would be edge banding, but this is all solid walnut instead. And they got the beautiful soft close hardware with custom walnut pulls I made personally with my router in my shop. And so we got 3 of those, and we also have drawers in the end tables. We have built-in electric with the USBs right there in the end table. And my idea was to put in the lights with the nice dimmer switch there. That's switches off and on, and that's the LED lights, and that's nice. And
that's great.
Yeah, bookcases.
You didn't show me the ladder. I like the ladder.
Oh yeah, the ladder with the live edge. You're right.
Yeah.
So we got solid walnut steps with the live edge going up to the loft bed of heaven. Carlos was especially proud of the fact that he finished off all those edges.
Carlos has done a great job.
Carlos has done a great job. Yeah, the whitewash finish, multiple coats, edge and centerboard, pine cladding there gives it a kind of a nice sort of Southampton's kind of look.
Look at that house. It's Montauk.
Yeah, it's Montauk. It's Montauk on 42nd Street. All right. And we are Zen Space Makers Incorporated. My name is Sander Hicks. The website is loftbedsnyc.com. And thank you for watching.